Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Weybridge in Surrey and really excited to show you around this building, which is a poolside room with sauna, outside shower, bifold indoors and integrated blinds that you're seeing down at the moment. Yeah, keep watching to see the inside of this building and the work that we've done. Poolside rooms, bifold doors and swimming pools just go together so well, and what a great option this one is here with the doors now open on the front. You can see that huge opening, how it integrates with the swimming pool so well. The main reason the client wanted this building was to have an outdoor shower for the swimming pool and a sauna inside. Both have been supplied by our good friends at Falcon Pool, so thank you for them for the work that they've done. But they did actually want a heated one, so I'm going to show you that heated shower in a moment. They wanted also a lot of integration with the garden. So along with these big bifold doors on the front with the integrated blinds that I've just shown you on the precursor of this video, we've also done integrated blinds and sliding doors on the side. So this is really excellent. So as you open that up to the side, as I come round here, you've just got so much open space. It's so integrated with this garden. I really love this kind of design. It was already going on top of a slab base here, so we've done some decking. That's the Smartboard decking, and to the side with the steps as well. So I just think that works really well. So inside of the room, poolside entertainment, using it actually when it's a cooler day to actually just enjoy the sunbathing with, and then this lovely sauna here, say installed by Falcon Pool's Harvey brand there. It's actually the traditional with stone one, which I really like the idea of. And then inside of this cupboard here, you can see we've got all the workings. So there is a full-blown immersion heater there, all electrically heated, and that's heating the outside shower for the clients, so they get that all year round use if they want it, with the sauna as well as in the summer with the swimming pool. We've been quite clever. We put a soakaway down here on this area here, so you just have that decking with this lovely you've got the foot clean there, and then the main shower point there. So yeah, it really works very nicely. All the usual stuff you would expect from us: the internet, lighting, heating, along with also in this instance the plumbing, actually bringing water in from the house, that hot water cylinder by our plumber at Street Plumbing, so thank you to Ben there, and Liam for all the electrics. The building is within the 2.5 planning rule, so it is under that from the highest ground area, and just is a great addition to this beautiful property over in Weybridge. Swimming pool getting used, as you can see, just works perfectly. A good proportion, an area to set out the front, and then an area to enjoy the rest of the garden down the side. So there you go, that's our poolside room with a sauna, outdoor shower, bifolding and sliding doors to give that great open effect. You could even go bifolding on the side and have the whole thing open. It would work really well over in Weybridge. Once again, thank you to Falcon Pools for your support on getting this project completed. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you. Let me know your thoughts.